Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best RC planes for beginners in 2026. After extensive research across multiple websites, reviews, and expert recommendations, I've compiled a list of RC planes designed to suit different types of pilots and budgets. Whether you're looking for the best value, the easiest aircraft to fly, or a model with specific features, this guide will help you find the right option. For more information about each product, be sure to check the links in the description below. Please keep in mind that this is not a hands-on review video, but rather a product showcase based on research and market analysis. If you enjoy the video and find it helpful, don't forget to leave a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and of course, subscribe to the channel for more RC reviews, comparisons, and buying guides. Let's get started. Number 5. Coming in at number 5 is the E-flite Habu STS 700mm, a unique RC jet designed specifically for beginners who want the excitement of jet flying without the usual steep learning curve. Unlike traditional EDF jets that demand advanced piloting skills, the Habu STS features a specially engineered design that remains stable and predictable even at slower speeds. Combined with safe technology, it helps new pilots stay in control while building confidence in the air. One of its standout features is its realistic jet appearance, giving pilots the thrill of flying a sleek EDF aircraft while still benefiting from trainer-like handling characteristics. The wide tricycle landing gear also makes takeoffs and landings easier on both grass and paved surfaces. Optional landing assist technology can further reduce the challenge of landing, making this one of the most accessible RC jets currently available. While flight times are typically shorter than propeller-driven trainers and you'll need a larger flying area, the Habu STS offers a fantastic introduction to the world of EDF jets. But if you're looking for even more beginner-friendly performance, value, and features, make sure to keep watching as we move closer to our top picks for 2026. Number 4. Taking the number 4 spot is the FMS Cessna 1.8 to 1,500mm, a stunning large-scale trainer perfect for beginners who want a more realistic flying experience right from the start. With its impressive 1.5-meter wingspan, this aircraft delivers exceptional stability and confidence in the air. Its larger size helps it handle windy conditions far better than smaller RC planes, allowing for smoother and more predictable flights. One of the biggest attractions is its scale realism. Inspired by the full-size Cessna 182, it features detailed styling, functional flaps, and LED navigation lights that make it look fantastic both on the ground and in the sky. The flight characteristics are smooth and forgiving, making takeoffs, cruising, and landings feel natural and controlled. Because of its size, you'll need access to a large open flying area or a dedicated RC flying field. It's also sold as a plug-and-play package, meaning you'll need to provide your own transmitter, receiver, and battery setup. For pilots looking for a realistic aircraft with excellent stability and impressive wind performance, the FMS Cessna 182 is an outstanding choice. But the next entries on our list offer even more beginner-focused features. So let's continue counting down the best RC planes for beginners in 2026. Number 3. The E-flite Apprentice STOL S 700mm, one of the most respected beginner-friendly aircraft available today. Built on the legendary Apprentice platform, this compact version delivers professional-level training features in a convenient, park-friendly size. Its high-wing design provides natural stability, helping new pilots maintain control while learning essential flying skills. What truly sets this aircraft apart is its STOL, or short takeoff and landing capability, allowing it to take off in just a few feet and land at remarkably slow, confidence-inspiring speeds. The Apprentice STOL S also includes multiple flight modes that grow with your skills. Beginners can start with maximum stabilization assistance and gradually progress to more advanced modes as their confidence increases. This means the aircraft can stay with you long after your first successful flights. Another major advantage is the excellent availability of replacement parts and accessories, making maintenance and repairs easy if accidents happen during the learning process. While it costs a little more than many entry-level alternatives, the quality components, advanced technology, and long-term value make it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about the RC hobby. Number 2. Coming in at number 2 is the Volantex Sport Cub 500, the perfect choice for beginners looking for an affordable, easy-to-fly RC plane that doesn't require a huge flying field. One of its biggest advantages is its compact and lightweight design. Weighing under 100 grams, it's ideal for large backyards, parks, and local sports fields, making it one of the most accessible RC planes for new pilots. Despite its small size, it delivers true 4-channel control, allowing beginners to learn proper RC flying techniques from day one. The advanced X-Pilot gyro stabilization system helps keep the aircraft smooth and stable in the air, reducing the frustration that often comes with learning to fly. Its durable EPP foam construction is designed to absorb impacts, making it far more forgiving during those inevitable beginner mistakes. Another standout feature is the automatic prop saver system. If the plane bumps into an obstacle, the propeller can safely detach instead of damaging the motor, helping reduce repair costs and downtime. The main limitation is its lightweight construction, which means stronger winds can make flying more challenging. However, in calm conditions, few aircraft offer this combination of affordability, durability, and beginner-friendly performance. And now, we've reached the moment you've been waiting for. Taking the number 1 spot is the RC plane that offers the best overall experience for beginners in 2026. Number 1. The HobbyZone AeroScout S to 1.1 meters, widely considered the gold standard for beginner RC pilots, and the aircraft most instructors recommend for a first plane. What makes the AeroScout so special is its innovative pusher-prop design. Unlike traditional aircraft, the motor and propeller are mounted behind the wing, protecting the most vulnerable components during hard landings or beginner mistakes. This simple design dramatically reduces repair costs and increases confidence for new pilots. The AeroScout also features Spectrum Safe technology, one of the most advanced beginner flight systems available. It helps prevent overcorrecting, limits excessive pitch and roll angles, and includes a panic recovery button that instantly returns the aircraft to stable flight if you lose orientation. Large, oversized wheels allow easy takeoffs and landings from grass fields, while its stable airframe handles windy conditions better than many trainers in its class. The result is an aircraft that remains enjoyable long after you've mastered the basics. Its only real drawback is appearance. It prioritizes function over scale realism, looking more like a purpose-built trainer than a traditional aircraft. But when it comes to learning quickly, flying confidently, and avoiding expensive crashes, few planes can match what the AeroScout delivers. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best RC planes for beginners in 2026. I hope this video has been helpful and has clarified some of your doubts. To get more information about the products, or to find out which one fits your budget, just click on the links in the descriptions. I don't mention the prices of the products because when you're watching the video, the prices may not match, as they vary depending on the time of year and can also go on sale. See you in the next video.